All right, tonight we're getting new details in the moments leading up to the deaths of Jenna Scott and Michael Swearingen. A newly released arrest affidavit for Cedric Marks recounting some gruesome details from back on January 3rd. Right now, Marks is in the Bell County Jail on a $1.7 million bond charged with capital murder. Fox 44's Nohely Mendoza joining us live now in the control room. Now, Nohely, you went through those court documents and a witness describes the moments leading up to the deaths.
That's right. Maya Maxwell was extradited to Bell County back in January 25th, and for allegedly moving Michael's car and leaving it in Austin. Police say she admits to being there when Cedric Marks killed Jenna Scott and Michael Swearingen inside a home in Killeen.
A lot of emotions. It's pretty distressful to read something like that about your own child that was killed. And Michael too. The
affidavit says both Jenna and Michael died on January 3rd in a Killeen home. In it, police say Maya Maxwell told investigators the two were brought to the home and placed in separate rooms, and that when Cedric Marks went into each room, she heard a struggle. And when Marks came back out, Swearingen and Scott were dead.
It's difficult to understand and comprehend the level of violence and hate that would compel a person to do something like this.
Today's new information comes after Marks was formally charged with capital murder for multiple deaths and had his bond set at $1.7 million.
Cedric Marks is a very articulate man, intelligent, but also very dangerous, obviously.
I knew it. We knew it was him for a long time, so, you know, it wasn't formal, but personally I knew it. In my gut, in my heart, I knew it was him.
And 2 days after Marks escaped custody while being transported back to Bell County.
We are thankful for all that law enforcement has done.
Both families say there's still a long road to go before justice is served.
It is a relief to know that that Maya is, Maxwell is basically sharing information with law enforcement to solve this case.
Now, the attorneys for Title Boxing, where Cedric Marks worked in Killeen, have sent Fox 44 a statement reading in part, those connected to Title Boxing are shocked by the allegations concerning Mr. Marks. Most importantly, the team at Title Boxing has the families of Jenna Scott and Michael Swearingen in their thoughts and prayers, as well as the community impacted by these heinous events. And we also reached out to District Attorney Henry Garza for comment, but he says he cannot speak on pending litigation. Live in the control room, Nohely Mendoza, Fox 44 News.